Here we got a 36 Ford, the original Flathead in it. 36, you can tell, you're looking at this, you think it's like an old styling, but this is radically modern compared to the 20s. They're all squared off, Look what happened in just 10 years. Very much aerodynamic. And look at that motor, man. It's Flathead. Simple as all hell, man. No push rods and lifters and stuff. I mean, they make less horsepower, but they're reliable as all hell. And look at this, the hose is straight there, no complicated anything. And this steel on these things is thick. They used to pound out them dents and they metal shave them. Use minimal lead. This thing looks like it's restored with paint and interior, but a lot of it looks original. It's a driver, man. It drives, man. Goes. A big old car, man. Horseless carriage. It's out to register, right? It's got the suicide doors in the back, which are, they call them that because if you open them up at 60 miles an hour, they go flying open. But if your hand is attached to the door, you'll go flying open with them too. But it makes it a lot easier to get in the back, I mean, just people don't do stupid things. You gotta regulate everything. Like, they should put a sign here, curb, do not trip. Didn't think of that one yet.